Alright guys, what up, it's Brain Pips FX again with a YouTube video. Okay, in this video I'm gonna be walking you guys on how to actually cash out some free PayPal money using this app, MYDAILYCASH. So just click on the button right there, the install button. I'll be dropping a link in the description below, so you just click on the link to take you right here, and when you see this platform right there, you just click on install. Okay, so in this app you're gonna be having you have to have a 100 naira in your SIM card, so airtime, so they'll be using a couple of money in the airtime to process this. So just click on the next button right there, and they're asking us to actually verify our email, so to make sure it does. So I'm gonna do this right quick, and then I'll come back to you guys in a short while. So let me just put in my email. Alright, okay, so I'm done right now putting in my password. Just click on the next button and it's loading. Okay, so we're back in this application. You just click on install again. So this time around, I think they're giving us access to actually install the app into our phone. So this is it. Actually, in this app, you're going to be using two applications to actually make this earning. So they say we should purchase this application. No, you're just going to click on the second one. Yeah, only application install. So you click on that one and click on the save button. Okay, click on OK. Just click on OK right here. Alright, click on install. Alright, this one is we're gonna check if the app is actually installed in our phone. So for you to check if the app is installed, click on this view detail, this one actually. Okay, you see they are telling us that we already have this application in our phone. So let's go check it out if the application is in our phone. Okay, here we go. This is it right here. You can see the application. So let's open it up and check out what is going on in this application. So okay, so all you have to do right here is just wait for the green button to show up and you click on next. And I told you guys you're gonna be paid through PayPal. So this is the PayPal. You're only gonna get paid through PayPal. So click on the next button again. You just have to wait for the green button to show, and we'll click on next. Here is it. So we'll click on the next button, and in this side they actually say this platform has been up since February 2021. So we just have to set our country. I'm from Nigeria anyway, so I'm just gonna put it right there, Nigeria, and put in our phone number, and you check all those boxes right here. I'm gonna do that right away. Okay, so yeah, I'm done. Put in your email, put in your referral code so you can get the bonus, and check in all these boxes and click on the next button. Click on receive. Okay, so after when you click on receive, they're gonna ask you to actually verify your phone number. So I just done that process right now, so it's about verifying. They're actually gonna send you a code into your phone. You copy the code and then you paste it where they asked you to, and then you click on send. Alright, we're in the application right now, and look at right there, I have 50 credits up there, and this credit comes to you every day. You claim this credit every day in this points, like this green box below. This not this one, this actual green box right here. So you click on that green box right now. So let's go get the second application. Second application is just like a messenger. Okay, this is like a messenger. They only send you some text into your phone, and then you get 50 credits every day. If you calculate 50 credits every day into a month, that should be about 12,000 plus. So let's install this app right now. Okay, this app is just like a messenger. The name is Top Messenger. So you're gonna click on skip this part. Click on skip button right here. Okay, so it's coming in right now. what they're gonna ask you to do is keep this app on default. So I'm gonna walk you guys out on how to do that. So it's in already, so let's just wait for it to finish installing. Okay, click on enable. You can see the enable button right there. Just click on it. Okay, click on the continue button again. So this is the setup process. Just scroll down and click on I agree. Okay, so you have to just check the same box again, make sure everything is okay. Check it. First one, they're asking us to actually set it to the default message, so we're gonna do that. Click on yes. Second one, we're gonna check this box, check accept, check the last one, and connect. Okay, like I said, you have to have some airtime, because you see right now they just charged me 4 naira for that, and I told you guys you have to have up to 100 naira in your phone, so I'm just being charged 4 naira for that, but that's no big deal. They only charge once. This is a reminder message. So you're gonna just click yes, I understand. They say you don't have to remove the app from your phone, you have to let the app remain in your phone. So I know about that. You just click on OK. Right, so we're back in the application again. I'm gonna show you where you have to claim. Yeah, look at it right there. They say claim your reward. So you have to claim this reward every day, because it's every 24 hours. You'll be getting 50 credit every 24 hours. And if you calculate 50 credit into 30 days, which is a month, okay, you're gonna be getting like $12 from this application. It's actually free, just clicking that same button every day. So I'm about to claim that actual credits. I just click on the claim button right there. Okay, you say congratulations, you successfully claimed your offer. So we have to go back. Just click on this back button to go back. Alright, you see right there, I have 100 credits right now. I have 100 credits right there. You can see it at the top there. I have 100 credits. So I look at the time right here to come back to claim the next one, which is the 24 hour. If you want to do other tasks, these are other tasks, but most people wouldn't like to do this. They only have to claim. But if you want to make more money, you can just perform all these tasks. That's right here. You can see this one is 27 credit, and you have a lot of them. But I just prefer you guys just do just this one. But if you want to go further, fine. So just click on this setting button right here, down here. You can see this setting button. That's where you're gonna put your PayPal account, where you actually gonna withdraw. Most people might not have a PayPal account, okay? But if you want me to do a video on how to set that up, fine. Just leave a comment below in the description, and I'll do that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? So you just set up your PayPal account. You can see that 100 credits is actually $1. So if you have 1,000 credits, it's gonna be up to like $10. So if you calculate 50 credit in 30 days, that should be up to $12. So that's all for this video, guys. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and peace out, guys. Stay blessed.